So I have the Google Pixel 8 and I'll be showing you how to set the screen timeout to never when the phone is charging. So to do this, obviously you can't do this in the normal screen timeout settings, because if you go to settings and go to display and go to screen timeout, there's no option for never. The maximum you can get away with is 30 minutes. But I'll show you how to set it to never as long as your phone is charging. To do this, we need to get into developer options. And to do that, obviously go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll all the way down to about phone, tap on that, and then scroll and look for build number at the bottom. Tap on that 7 times and it will tell you you are a developer. But since I'm already a developer, it's telling me no need. So now go back to the main settings page and then go to system and then go to developer options and tap on that. So now inside developer options, that's where you'll find the option to stay awake. And it says screen will never sleep while charging. So this is where you can enable or disable that feature. Okay. So as long as you have developer options enabled, that feature will always work. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.